YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. And take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And they'll ship this to you in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Oh boy, here we go, guys. Let's see what's inside. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review. And this is coming from by Tenvis and Iotex. Alright. Or you can. Own your own privacy. Private HD home security cam. Tenvis. Okay. 360 and 1080 full HD, two-way radio, motion detection. So that would be good for your like a nursery kids room type deal, or another room that you don't have a camera in. These will look good. We'll set this up in a second. We're about to see what's inside. And like I said, definitely check them out. Click my affiliate link and see what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this one, just add it to your cart now. A tiny little guy. Alright. Probably there's going to be an app to install. Which takes a few minutes. You can. Here we go. We got some goodies in there. Manual. Another. Don't need that. It's like a quick start. USB style plug. And screws, you can mount these, so have it. I was gonna probably have it normal, but I'm not sure where I'm gonna have it set up because I got a couple cameras in this room, a few others in each room, so and I figure I don't need my bedroom cammed up. Some kind of at least privacy I gotta have, so I figure the bedroom's a secret. Maybe no cams there. And here's the mounting bracket. And you get the screws. And here's the USB to plug it in. That is a good size. And twist ties. Gotta love these twist ties. They do come in handy. Alright, just quit going. Oh, I missed. Oh yeah, that's a nice size. I'll plug this in here. I'll plug this into the wall socket. Should have enough room. It's been a long weekend, guys. But this one is zooming on by. Some nice little security cam to have. Gonna need, here's the unit. Looking good. Memory card, TF slot, reset button. Bottom where you can mount it. Ethernet and power. Alright, let me find out what the smart app's called. And then I could get that downloaded. Alright, here we go. It's called UCam. iOS or Android. Connect, open, search. UCam app. Go ahead, Google Play. UCam. I think this is the one. Yep, Tenvis. Takes a second to download. Here we go. Put you guys on pause. Alright guys, once you logged in, there's a private key. You can sign up. I'm new to that private key stuff, so Gotta do it the old school way. Hopefully that works. I could figure that out about the private key and all that. Gotta plug her in. Come on. I think she's plugged in. Yep. See, the light is on. And new camera. Oh.
Welcome to UCAM. Waiting to connect.
There we go. So I was going to do that. Spin a Rooney. Then enter your
Waiting to
Wi-Fi.
connect.
Your Wi-Fi password. You gotta hold it like that.
Waiting to connect.
I heard a beep.
UCAM is connected.
There we go. That was easy. This will be bathroom. Finish setup. I gotta hide the blockchain identity key. Blockchain is created for security. And your cameras, making sure. Continue. Got it. Got it. Copied. Okay. Here's the setup. Whoa. 360 1080p. Hello. Oh yeah. See it move up. Look at that little guy. You can have it this way too. Okay, that's a lot easier. Up. Turn it around. Are you sure you want to return to default lens setting? There we go. That was easy. Record. Activate safety. And I don't need a little safe. Well, maybe. I don't know how loud this is. Whoa. Ah. That's pretty cool. You can record it. Save to the album. Hello. Hello. Go to sleep. See, you can yell at your kids. Sounds pretty good too. No spirits in here. And then you can snap it. There you go. Oh, and there's a calendar. Shows activities. Make sure that nothing is show. So there it is. But really cool. So if you guys are looking for a nice little indoor house cam, security cam, two-way radio, This is a nice one to have. I think they're under $100, so don't quote me on the price, but definitely click that link down below. Check them out, and you guys be safe. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you in the next video.